Hello students, I hope all are fine and good. We are going to read Moral Science of Class 2, Chapter 7, An Ideal Citizen Part 2. In our today's class, we are going to continue the same chapter from page number 34. In our last class, we learnt about an ideal citizen knows his rights and responsibilities and different festival of India. Now, a different Republic Day. It was 26th January. Azhar was getting dressed for school. There was a flag hosting ceremony in his school. As Azhar stepped out of the door, he realized that everything around him was trembling. He was scared. He ran back into the house. His parents were also frightened. After a few minutes, the trembling stopped and everything became calm. His mother switched on the TV. They heard the news that the country was struck by a severe earthquake. Many places like Bhuj, etc., were ruined. Now go to the next page. Within minutes, thousands of people lost their lives. Many others were injured. Azhar became sad. He thought, what a terrible thing happened on the Republic Day. An idea came to his mind. He wanted to help the people of Bhuj. He went to his mother and said, Mom, I want to do something for the people of Bhuj. Let's go to our neighbors and collect things from them. I am sure they will give old clothes and some food for the distressed people of Bhuj. His mother was delighted. She said, Yes, Azhar, that's a good idea. Indeed, first I will put some rice in a bag. I also have many old clothes which I can give. Ajay went from door to door and collected many clothes and food items. Ajay also collected a good amount of money. Ajay's mother spoke to the social service organization of that area. Soon a van came and collected the food, clothes and money for the earthquake victims. In this way, Azhar showed his love for the countrymen. So, students, like Azhar helping others in a good deed and sense of satisfaction when we help many or needy people, helping others is important human quality. Helping others is the act of being kind. Help someone in your neighborhood. If you help anyone, then you feel happy. Students, always help your family members, friends, neighbors, classmates, or who need help. Students, if we can help the person, then we feel better and bring a smile on their face. So always help others and make a good citizen of your country. Now, moral of the story is love your countrymen as much as you love your family. Now go to the next page, page number 36. Answer these question exercises of it. Look at the copy. An Ideal Citizen, Chapter 7. Moral of the story. Moral of the story is love your countrymen as much as you love your family. Now, exercise A, answer these questions. Question number 1, list the different languages spoken in India. Answer is Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kashmiri, Malayalam, Marathi, Oriya, Punjabi, Telugu and Urdu are the different languages spoken in India. Now next question is question number 2. What are the different religious festivals? Answer is Eid, Guru Parv, Christmas and Diwali are the different religious festival of India. Question number 3. How did Ajhar help the people of Bhuj? Answer is Ajhar went from door to door and collected many clothes and food items. Ajhar also collected a good amount of money for the earthquake victims. Now, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Our national language is Hindi. Our national language is Hindi. 2. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. 3. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Question number 4. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 22nd October. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 22nd October. So student, these are the question answer of chapter 7. Do it in your copy at home. Thank you.